Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 31st of January. We have got euro dollar, which is starting to pull higher. We've been talking about this in the last few days where the candlesticks have been slightly mixed, and interesting that every time you get there or thereabouts around 110 big figure, it has found as a basis of support, and that big support of 109.80 that came in November, December really certainly seems to be a key feature of this chart. Now, we've seen the technical rally starting to come higher, although it's a bit questionable today. That bull candle that we saw yesterday, RSI picking up, stochastics slightly picking up, our MACD lines just starting to bottom out. Look at this hourly chart. Is that a base pattern? Well, it could possibly work out that way. 110.40, well, there or thereabouts, 110.35, 110.40. Look at the MACD lines, which are now above neutral on the hourly. The RSI, which, if I get the crosshair on it, went towards 70, is now sort of up around, holding up above the 40 mark, having previously failed around the 60 mark. That is sort of your classic marginal sort of flip in sentiment. And as I said, if you can see a market closing or moving decisively above 110.40, I think that could well be recovery territory, certainly on the hourly chart anyway. So it'd be a very interesting market to watch, I think, in the near term, this one. Now, as I said, above 110.40 is recovery territory, but overhead supply is fairly significant, around 110.65. And that would then be the next resistance area. And it would be a market that I think if it can get above 111 figure, through that 110.65 resistance, above 111 figure, which has been a long sort of pivot line, also marking around about the top of that downtrend, which would be on Monday, then I think that would be a significant moment. But for now, obviously, still sort of 75 pips away from that, so it's quite a way up considering how euro dollar is trading at the moment. 40 pips of average true range, so it's not expected to see that sort of move quite yet, but it'll be interesting to see if this recovery can get through 110.40 as to whether the bulls can really get on the recovery stage. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinar.